Wow, look at that. Okay? Pero ang focus ko, ang attention ko ay nasa pregnant woman na ito. Doesn't have to be na magiging preggy kayo or what, but this is likely the Empress vibe or energy. Yang ipapanganak na yan na nasa tiyan na yan no, ay hindi isang literal na bata, kundi isang literal no, na new beginning or new birth of life. This is you na parang feeling mo na bigyan ka ulit ng pagkakataon no, makapagsimulang muli. That kind of feeling. And you are with your genuine soul tribe, the family here that trusts and believes in you, the friends that genuinely supports you all the way to success right here and always there beside you. That's the energy. Wow. This reminds me of King Midas. Everything that you touch turns to gold. Wow. Wow. Ang ganda, 'no? Ang ganda nung nakuha nating mga mensahe, 'no? Shuffling pa lamang. Hey, wow, let's get to know more about this. Beautiful. Sobra. Okay, let's go ahead. Ah, wow. For a while, mga babes, 'no, dumilim yung screen ko here. So, ayusin ko lang yung camera. Alright. So, hey there mga My Loves Collective! Thank you so much na nandito na naman tayo ngayon nagsasama-sama sa ating daily collective reading. So, this is for all signs. Okay, wala tayong signs right here. So, just take how this resonates with you. At kung kayo ay connected or connecting into this reading right here, then this reading might be really for you. So, wala tayong gender dito, no? At babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat kayo. Welcome kayo here. Okay? At syempre, timeless din ito. So, pwedeng ito ay tapos na or nangyari na sa iba, no? Pwede naman na nangyayari pa lang ngayon, no? Sa present moment or sa kasalukuyan. Pwede rin naman na hindi pa at isang prediction sa inyong future right here. But definitely, I'm seeing that there is this kind of strong, okay, faith right here. Okay? I'm getting that same energy coming from our previous reading, which is I do feel like yung tinitle ko dun is yung back-to-back, no, na regalo sa'yo ni Universe. Yan. Okay? So, I do get those same energies right here. So, kung naka-resonate kayo ron, no, there's this high chance, okay, na ito yung karugtong or konektado doon sa reading na yun. So, kung hindi nyo yun napanood, no, I will put the link in the description box. Okay? So, for you to be able to watch it. Okay, so nakikita ko nga rito with this Two of Swords energy and the Eight of Swords right here. Look at that. See? This is you, you almost kneeled down, okay? Sobrang nahirapan ka sa sitwasyon mo before. Kala mo talaga, hindi ka na makakaalas dyan. Look at you. It's like you're calling for help. No, this is you na tumatawag ka rito ng tulong pero wala talaga rito mahinga ng tulong, no? Or walang kahit na sino around you, guys. Your friends, your family right here, no? Ang talagang makapagbibigay sa'yo, no? Ng tulong na hinahanap mo. Okay? Maybe this is you, you are in this too much pain na hindi mo na talaga, no? Like, you cannot bear it, no? Ng ikaw lang. Pero yun nga, no, pwedeng kahit sino hinihingan mo ng tulong rito, although nagbibigay sila ng tulong rito, no, hindi sila nagiging sapat or hindi sila yung talagang makatutulong sa'yo rito. Pero tingnan mo, what I love about this one is this Eight of Swords right here, wala nang harang dito. See? Natanggal yung harang dito. And look at that, no, yung nagliliwanag na kamay na yan. Okay? Tingin nyo ba kaninong kamay yan? 'Di ba? It's the hand of God. Your faith, yan, no? Yung faith na yan ang nakapagpatanggal sa inyo sa sitwasyon na pinagdadaanan ninyo. See? Look at that. See? Oh, this already makes me feel that goosebump. Look at that. You are trying to hold that big hand in there. And this angel right here, see? Look at it's holding here another hand. Okay? Coming from this. Okay? Chaotic, magulong isipan, magulong sitwasyon. Yeah, definitely. It's the rescue. It's the help na kailangan mo. Yang anghel na yan, ang padal na yan, kamay mo yan, babe. Ikaw to na dumadaan dito sa magulong pagsubok na to, sa mahirap na sitwasyon na ito, na dumadaan ka sa isang sitwasyon na nag-overthink ka, naapektuhan yung mental health mo, yung physical mo, no, hindi ka nakakain ng maayos because you're thinking and thinking, over-analyzing, no, paano ka makalabas sa isang sitwasyon right here, sobrang problematic ka, no, in the past or kung ano ang pinagdadaanan mo. But your faith, that faith saved you. That angel in there is padala ni God, ni universe. Wala tayong religion dito. Ano man yung relihiyon mo, ano man yung kultura mo, ang pinaniniwalaan nating Diyos ay iisa lamang. It's like this is you. Ano man yung naging sitwasyon mo, halo-halo, madami. Madami kang problema ritong hinaharap or kinakaharap. Okay? Like, lumapit ka na sa iba't ibang tao kahit yung sa mga pinagkakatiwalaan mo, pero hindi nila maiabot at maibigay sa yung tulong na yon. Okay? Pwedeng matulungan ka nila financially, pero para hilumin ang sarili mo rito, like, yung mga sugat externally sa loob-loob mo, no? Like yung pain, yung trauma, no, lahat ng pinagdaanan mo, no, they cannot be able to help you get out from that. But your God, your faith saves you. Hmm? Cut that. Alam mo kung anong maganda dito? This is something here na nakikita ko that with the justice right here, Ten of Swords, Three of Swords right here, okay, both these are in reverses right here. You know what? Nakikita ko dito na lahat ng sleepless nights na nag-iisip ka, nag-overthink ka, nag-overanalyze ka, no, sa anumang mga bagay na yan, iniisip mong problema, I'm seeing it ending. Nagtatapos yan. Yung mga taong hindi naniniwala sa'yo, yung mga tao rito, no, na pinagdududahan ng kakayanan mo, nakikita ko, no, na lahat yan ay inaalis sa buhay mo. Okay? These people, no, hinihipan yan palayo sa'yo. Okay? Tinutulak sila palayo sa'yo, no, upang makapagbigay rito, no, ng fresh air. Okay? Para ikaw ay makahinga rito ng maayos at makapagsimulang muli sa buhay mo. These people here, okay, alam na nga nila yung pinagdadaanan mo, pero patuloy ka pa rin nila ritong itinutulak pailalim or paibaba, no? This is, okay, something na nakikita ko naglalaho na at mawawala na rito sa buhay mo. So, whatever the case may be, your angels, your guardians, okay, God, nakikita niya yung pinagdadaanan mo rito. Naririnig niya yung mga pinapanalangin ninyo kahit sabay-sabay kayo nagsasalita rito, naiintindihan niya yung lahat. Your faith, your patience, your kind heart, your pure intention save you. Hmm? So whatever the case may be, this is you. I'm seeing you na ang susunod mo rito na ipapanalangin ay thank you, Lord. Salamat sa lahat ng mga ginawa mo para sa akin. Salamat dahil nagtiwala ka na malalampasan ko 'to, nalampasan ko nga ito, yeah. So, hindi ko alam mga babes 'no, kung ano talaga yung specific na pinagdaanan mo. Pero para lumuhod ka ng ganito at para maging ganito ka-eager 'no, yung parang parang pagkapit mo dito 'no, sa parang humihingi ka ng tulong pero wala man lang dito 'no, makapagbigay sa'yo ng tulong na hinahanap mo. It's too much for you, okey? So you see, lahat ng pinagdaanan mo na 'to, nakikita ko na ginagamit mo yang inspirasyon para i-rebuild yung sarili mo with this Eight of Coins energy. I-rebuild yung sarili mo, okey, at maging positibo dito sa lahat ng bagay. Pinagdaanan mo, nakita ko rito halo-halo yan. May nawalan ng trabaho, may bumaba yung sahod, meron ganun pa rin yung sahod, pero dumagdag yung mga babayaran, yung mga bayarin. Others of you, hindi naman inyo yung loan or yung utang na yon, pero kasama ka sa pagbabayad doon or whatever the case may be and picking the top specifically but will not resonate to all of you guys. But you know what? The universe is listening to you. Akala mo hindi ka naririnig, walang ginagawa rito. Akala mo hindi napapansin na nahihirapan ka rito. Like you almost, okay? Alam mo yung almost napasuko ka na parang wala naman talagang God, wala naman talagang angels, like it's not true, okay? Like for others of you, you could be questioning here, okay? The existence, okay? There is a supernatural force that is higher than us. And it's the higher power. Okay? And it's your God. Huh? Yung huli niyong dasal is yung alisin ito sa inyo. No? Pero ngayon nakikita ko na ang nagiging dasal ninyo ay ang pasasalamat. No? Dahil itong lahat ng ito, no? Itong mountains na ito, we're hearing that song. You know that song. You raise me up so I can stand the mountain. See? So whatever the case may be, your God raised you up. With all of these mountains are symbols of challenges and hardships. But you're gonna surpass lahat ng obstacles, lahat ng challenge, lahat ng test, lahat ng mga pagdadaanan ninyo. Look at that. You will come up, okay, with the realization. See, this is you. Tingnan mo, ang fresh-fresh mo dito, oh. 'Di ba? At nakatingin ka rito, no, sa clear blue sky with that super fluffy, no, clouds. Okay? Ayan, no, sa background mo. So, it looks like this is you. Na naiintindihan mo ang lahat ng mga bagay na to, mga pangyayaring ito, no, ay temporary lamang. And this is you. Kung ano man yung magiging buhay mo pagkatapos ng lahat ng unos na ito at bagyo, okay? Na i-describe mo na sa mga pinagdaanan mo, mga experiences in the past, nakikita kita, no? Na tumatayo ka sa sarili mong mga paa. Nagsisimula ulit. Anong hawak po to eh? Ace of Wands yung hawak mo. Okay? Yung malaking sanga na hawak mo na yan, no, na merong 4 na dahon dyan. No, kung ano man yan, 4 is the strong number of stability. Something stable, something permanent. So kung ano man yan mga babes, makakapagsimula ka ulit, no, ng solid and you're staying grounded here with your life. Look at you. You look so fresh right here. See? Eh, no? Mas lalo ka pang nag-glow up dito. Plus, sobrang Okay? Ganda ng transformation ng external mo. Okay? Yung kalooban mo, yung damdamin mo, kung paano mo tingnan ngayon yung mga bagay, ibang-iba na. Okay? That is now your power. That is now something that is okay, pwedeng maituturing mo na yaman mo rito, no? Kasi yan ang magdadala sa'yo rito sa kasaganaan. Look at that overflowing fruits, overflowing veggies or vegetables, overflowing flowers in here and pentacles. What is that? Eh? Tingnan mo yung basket na hawak mo dyan. Ang liit lang naman, pero tingnan mo yung laman, nag-uumapaw, 'di ba? So, ibig sabihin, no, nakikita ko rito mga babes, no, na matatapos na okay ang lahat ng mga bagay rito na nagpapabigat ng loob mo. It's all ending. See? You're entering right here into a new world wherein you're gonna dance with joy. Sobrang bliss, sobrang happy mo rito, no? Like literally, ayun, no, tingnan mo wala kang shoes dyan, oh, pero nag-e-enjoy ka rito, no? Ibig sabihin nito mga babes, no, you're gonna feel, okay? Kasi mararamdaman mo sa paa mo eh. Yan, no? See, sumasayaw ka rito. Nararamdaman mo, napifeel mo rito, no, yung texture ng grass, yung mga flowers, no, yung mga maliliit na plants, and you're gonna dance together with the nature. What is that all about? Okay? That only means, mga babes, no, na ano man ito, napapasukin mong bagong mundo. Eh, 'di ba 'pag sumasayaw ka, masaya ka? 'Di ba? Sumasayaw ka, masaya ka eh, no? May kasamang kanta-kanta pa. So, ibig sabihin, you're gonna feel excited about this one. You're gonna feel that stability. Eh, you're gonna feel that abundance, no? Na masagana ka in terms of money, in terms of healing, in terms of connections, healthy connections with other people. That's definitely a new canvas right here. See? Tingnan mo 'no, saan ka nakakita ng tarot deck 'no, na death energy ito. Ayan 'no, basahin niyo mga babes sa ilalim 'no, death energy 'yan. Pero napakamaaliwalas. Isn't it the same clouds in here? See? You're gonna thank God. Yeah, you're gonna thank God. Mas lalo mo siyang pasasalamatan pa more in this new life here. Okay? Because all of these things are just preparations for you guys. Okay? That is temporary. You you are already there. Okay? Mag-e-end na, matatapos na tong cycle na to. Okay? Patapos na yung lahat ng mga mountains na to at walang iba kundi ikaw ang nag-usog ng mountains na yan. Yan, no? 'Di ba si Samson yung malakas, no, na karakter, no, sa ating Bible, 'di ba? Pero mga babes, no, parang naging kasing lakas nyo rito si Samson dahil naitulak ninyo, no, ang lahat ng mga mountains na to. Look at that song. Isn't it, okay, that faith in you, that there's nothing impossible right here. And if you believe in God, then you believe as well that there's no impossible when it comes to God. Your problem is just a gatuldok right here. Okay? So, nakikita ko na mabubura mo ito. Makikita ko rito, mga babes, no, na mahaharap mo ito, no? Tong tagumpay na to, no, haharapin mo to, no, sobra ka na nakikitang nakangiti dito. Wala na yung pag-aalala sa mukha mo, see? This is you may experience mo rito yung life na gusto mo for yourself. This is you're gonna receive more in your life. Opportunities right here. You're growing. Okay? You're growing. You're glowing right here. And you keep on going. Okay? To success. Iba na yung way of thinking mo with the hangman right here. See? You're gonna believe more into angels and spirit guides that they are real because they are real. Yes, they are real. Huh? You're gonna see them, okay? Others of you are gonna see them literally in your dreams, okay? But more likely, you're gonna feel this presence right here, okay? It's like this, meron silang department here, no? Lahat na pinagdadaanan mo, oh, ito si Collective, nakita ko siya, na umiiyak siya dahil ito ang problema niya, no? And then these angels right here will tend to write their report and they're gonna send it, okay, to God right here, no, mababasa ni God yun, no, lahat mga babes, no, lahat ng mga nararamdaman mo, pinagdadaanan mo, alam yan ni God. Kahit na sabay pa tayo rito, no, na kumausap, manalangin at humingi ng tulong sa Kanya, never siyang naguguluhan. Kaya nakikita ko rito, marami-rami, no, ang mga energies na ito, no, na nakikita ko nagsisimula ng super fresh ulit sa kanilang mga buhay. Okay? Alam nyo kung gaano kalaki ang mountains, 'di ba? Alam nyo rin kung gaano kabigat yan, lalo na mga babes, no? Hindi yan matutulak, no? Kahit ilan pang mga tao walang kayang tumulak ng bundok, okay? Pero ikaw magagawa mo. Hmm? Ibig lamang sabihin nun mapagtatagumpayan mo, no, yung mga tinuturong mo dito, no, nagabundok rito ang problema mo. Okay? You're gonna surpass all of this. You're gonna step into this type of new world here. Hindi mo na ma-experience yung pain na yan. Okay? Hindi mo na ma-experience yung sleepless nights na yan, no? Wala na rin yung mga tao dito magpaparamdam, no, na hindi ka enough, no? Wala na sila dito sa new world na to. It's all about you. It's all about that healthy connections. It's all about that beautiful opportunities. And you are about to be dancing. You're gonna feel the texture, okay, of this abundance, of this prosperity. This is the flowers blooming right here. This is you dancing. Like, you do not need anything or anyone else because you are contented, because you are satisfied, because you have everything that you need and everything that you want. Wow! So, claim this beautiful message right here. Alam mo kung bakit ganito na nakakuha na naman tayo ng continuation, no, ng isang napakamagandang mensahe right here. This is definitely here the continuation of the previous reading that I've mentioned earlier. Okay, because palapit na ng palapit rito ang 2024. As what I have told you, I'm seeing for a lot of you entering into this new world that we're talking about in 2024. Wow! So, wow, claim all of these things, my love, because I know na deserve mo ito. Sobra. Okay? So, thank you so much. Sarang ngayon, love and light. Annyeong.